Recently, the City of Fort Wayne, Indiana-Michigan Power, I&M, and AEP collaborated on the Spy Run Extension project. It restored and enhanced a 6.5-mile-long transmission right-of-way area that passes through a city park and along a greenway trail. City of Fort Wayne Greenways manager Don Ritchie explains the collaboration.
AEP had the Powering Up Central Indiana project, and we've worked very closely with them, not only with the coordinating and the planning for several years, but during construction last year. They were really an excellent partner in keeping us involved, keeping us up to speed, and also partnering with us on making improvements to the River Greenway. Some of the wonderful things that AEP has done as part of their project, they not only removed invasive species along the trail, but now they're going to plant native plants along the trail. Also along our River Greenway, they've installed 2 park benches, which have a really nice overlook area next to the river, so people along the trail can sit and get some rest along the trail and look out at the St. Joe River, which is where we get our drinking water from. Right here, AEP has installed a bike repair station, which we're really excited about, because we've only got, on our 110-mile trail network, we've only got 2 other bike repair stations. So we need to see more of these out here, and AEP has been a great partner in providing one of these for our trail users here in Fort Wayne. Also, AEP has done some clearing for us for future trail projects, as well as when they've put their construction road in for the Powering Up Central Transmission project, they've left their construction road in place and even put more stone down and smoothed it out and graded it so that now our street department can go in and pave that construction road and make a trail. So we did that with one section up by Purdue University, Fort Wayne last year, and then next year, north of St. Joe Center, along the St. Joe River up to Beckett's Run, we're going to pave that section that AEP left in place for us.
Our end goal in these jobs is to put the properties back to the existing condition or better than when we found them. So we do a lot of pre-footage on the properties, and then we work with right-of-way and AEP to make sure that the properties are put back to an acceptable standard or better, so that everyone is happy at the end of the job and everyone walks away and it's a successful project.
Wildlife will also benefit from AEP's post-construction site restoration. AEP donated and planted 10 berry-producing trees in nearby Johnny Appleseed Park, which is part of the Greenway. This will attract birds and help promote pollination. Also, 88 pounds of native plant seeds were spread in part of the area, seeds selected to attract pollinators and other wildlife. AEP has been researching the substitution of native plants instead of traditional grasses in right-of-way areas. The deeper, denser root systems of native plants prevent trees and other invasive plants from becoming established and eventually growing into power lines, creating reliability risks. Tracy Warner of I&M says this project was a good example of combining reliability and sustainability improvements to benefit customers.
It's really important to have a vibrant, strong, reliable grid, and one of the things this project did was boost the reliability of the transmission line. We're doing that all over. This was part of our Powering Up project. There are a number of transmission projects going on through this area and still going on. We have the Bold line that goes right through Fort Wayne. We have another Bold line that's being built not too far south of Fort Wayne. So it just once again shows I&M's commitment to providing safe, reliable power.